guys, welcome to our subdivision. This is my first vlog, so join me and I'll give you a tour. This is my dog, Sparkle. Say hi, Sparkle. Okay, now come on, I'm gonna walk you through to our village. Come follow me. And this is our neighbors here. I'm gonna show our neighbors' houses. Our neighbors have a big houses, and we still have a lot of plenty of empty lot over here. Whoever wants to be here in this neighborhood. And guess what we found here? A goose. By yourself. Please don't get the goose, Sparkle. Sparkle. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh no! Look at the goose! Oh no, look! Sparkle, Sparkle! Don't do that. Hello! Have a nice day! Okay, here's Sparkle, who's want to chase the geese. Come on, Papa, where's our home? Find our house? Where's our house? Come on, where's our house? Huh? Sparkle, where's our house, girl? Where? Where'd you go? We should have you can change it. We'll be there. Okay, I wanna be here. Alright. This is our neighborhood, guys. Here's Sparkle, who is looking for our house. I hope she knows where's our house. And this is not yet. We just have one turn. We have to turn to the right and see there's a newly newly build house. They just started it yet. So now we are on Clutha Lane, and as you can see, our house is for sale, and whoever wants to buy this, contact this realtor right here. And here it is. Welcome to our house. Welcome to our house. This is our neighbors right there. Our garage. And here's our front with our little fountain over here. And here's Mama Mary. And come on in. Let's go in. So we'll see who's inside the house. Hello. Anybody home? Hi, this is our house. This is our house, and that's my little like my little altar, and I had my big rosary there. See? And this is our living room. Most of our wall decorations has been out already. We already put it out because we're starting to pack our stuff, and this is all left. And This is our dining. Where we eat. And I just love this house because we've been moving 6 times already. And this is the only house that I really like. So I want to seize the moment that, you know, I am here and make this video for a memories to watch later in the future. So this is our kitchen right there. Her Sparkle again, out of breath. And the bed, that door right there is the master bedroom. And this is the laundry room. And if we turn around, we can see the guest room door right here. The guest room door. And then another bathroom, and then that's my baby girl's room. All right, I'll get you on the other side.